history lang po, yung Eden po pala is sitting on the slope of Mount Talomo, which is a dormant volcano. So, yung mga malalaking bato na nakita natin kanina sa baba, mga bakas lang po yun when Mount Talomo erupted. Last na din ang Mount Talomo, 1800s pa po. And they also said before na mas mataas na po yung Mount Talomo kaysa dun sa Mount Apo. But because of the eruption, Mount Talomo lost its peak. So, ngayon po, it stands only at 8,770 feet na lang above sea level. But yung Mount Apo naman po na currently as the highest peak stands at 10,311 feet above sea level. Pero dahil sa active volcano siya, still growing pa rin.